Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram caption font using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to your Instagram account and I will just get a caption on my post. So for example, this post. So I will just copy the caption. So after that, go to any browser on your phone. Then type on the search bar, yaitext.com. So right here, beside your text, paste your caption. So scroll down, and these are the font options. So I will just choose a caption I want to use. For example, double underline. Then beside the font, click copy. So now, it's copied to my clipboard. Then let's go back to Instagram. Click the three dots on the post. Then click edit. Then I will just delete this caption. Then paste my new font. Then click check. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!